A quick little change in optics and maybe sound quality. I've got a new camera, yada yada yada, and yeah, we're now going to set up some stuff for painting. Yeah, already kinda got the paint booth set up. Behind you I need to put up something to close up this hole, and yeah, we're going to put up some rig here like last time for stuff to hang down, and maybe I'll get another thing to hang some stuff because I don't know how much it's going to be. So yeah, stay tuned, and we're quickly going through painting. Hope you like the better audio and sound quality. So hopefully better, I mean sound should be better. Audio, I don't know, hopefully is better. So yeah, we're getting started on that, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. Subframes here, sway bar, got some other parts here, some small bits, brake booster. Yeah, it's kinda sketchy right now. I mean, it's all going to be black at the end, so we're hoping for the best. I'm going to close up this here, and then we're pretty much good to go, I'd say. It's got around, I don't know, 30-ish degrees, 40 maybe. So we'll get some temperature here. But first we'll have to put up something here at least to mostly get it closed up, and yeah, clean all of it up and prime it. Once again, I've already primed this. This isn't primed. I'll get some rust converter on it, and then we're good to go for painting, I think. So yeah, I'll see you in a hot minute. Stay tuned. Got my paint booth set up. I mean, yeah, there's a few holes and yada yada yada, but it's set up. Parts are being wiped down. Everything's touched up with a bit of rust converter, and next step will be painting. I'll mix up some primer and we'll paint these through with some primer. Then I'm going to lay down some black and they'll be looking nice. So let me get going on mixing up some paint. I'll take you with maybe, and next up's going to mixing up some paint for these. It's white primer like this one, but after all they will be black. I mean, there's no big hassle about it, so yeah, that's it. Stay tuned and I'll be right back. Got myself a mixer for paint for my drill and we're going to try it out. Printed this out of PLA. I printed a spout over here. Sorry for the mess in here, but yeah, I'm kind of working on mostly everything, so yeah, it's kind of all over the place right here, and yeah, we'll try out mixer today and a spout. So I'm pretty excited. I don't know how you feel. Kinda works better than expected. I'm pretty proud of myself for finding this. So yeah, I'll mix up my paint and we're going to get out there and paint something. So paint gun set up, got my pressure regulator on, got some paint in, mixed pretty well with the mixer. Spout was working also really fine, so yeah. Now I'm going to set you over there and you're going to have to painfully watch me paint all of this. And kids, always remember safety first, because it's important and stuff, you know? Seems like we've run out of paint. I'll go mix up some more and get this finished, so yeah. Good thing I have more, so I'll be back in a few minutes. So yeah, remember guys to put on your lid correctly. I've had a little bit of a mishap, so yeah. That's that, and let's get on with painting before everything else breaks. And so empty, we're good to go. I think I've done a pretty good job, and yeah, let me know what you think about painting, or me painting, because I'm no painter, and yeah, it's the best it'll get. So let me know what you think and what would you have done. Stay tuned and let me know. Hey guys, me. I've got the black paint mixed up. everything's mostly nice and dry. It's about 10 to 20 minutes later. I'll do it while everything is wet. And yeah, sorry for the bit shitty audio quality, but it stinks in here like crazy. So yeah, I'm going to set you over on the ladder, and you're going to have to painfully watch me make everything black. And it's always so satisfying to just sorry guys, hit you in the face. We're out. Everything's blackened out. I'm still a bit white. I don't know, I'll maybe get some black paint and touch up myself. Next step will be putting this and that together, putting it on the motor, this in the car, that on the transmission in the car. This is for the front engine mount. Yeah, I like it. And just for reference, I mean, you can see object temperature, it's around 31 degrees. I think it's going to be great. I'll just lay out my other parts right down in the sun and hope that they're getting nice and dry as well. If you haven't seen what I've painted last time, go check out my video. I'll try to put up a link up here somewhere. Go check that out. I'm pretty proud of myself for these things here. And guys, see you in the next one. Hope you've enjoyed it. Write me something in the comments what you think about painting or my painting situation, I'd say. I don't know how to call it. And let me know something about my new camera and microphone. Hope you like it, and see you in the next one.